Hello everyone, welcome back to the series, French for Beginners. Today is lesson 16, Interrogative Adjectives in French. Let's get started. For interrogative adjectives, it's also divided into masculine, feminine, singular or plural. First, we start off with singular masculine is quel, plural masculine is quelle, singular feminine quelle, plural feminine Quelle. They all sound the same, but they are spelled differently, so we need to take care about it. And Quelle is work as which or what in English. Let's have some examples on how do we use Quelle. Quelle or Quelle is put in front of the noun. So let's see. Quel livre as-tu is what book do you have? Quelle heure est-il? What time is it? Quel sport pratiquez-vous? What sports do you practice? Quelle langue parlez-vous? What languages do you speak? There is another way in using quel. For example, quel or quelle is followed by et or son. Quel est votre nom? What is your name? Quelle est votre nationalité? What is your nationality? Quels sont vos loisirs? What are your hobbies? Quelles sont les couleurs? What are the colors? Quel can also be used as exclamation. For example, quel beau temps. What a nice weather. Quelle bonne idée. What a good idea. That's all for this lesson. Thank you for watching.